All right, folks. Today, we're building a monster. Not the scary kind, the cinematic kind. I'm showing you how to create architectural walkthroughs using AI, specifically Google AI Studio. And here's the best part. No heavy machinery, no expensive laptops, no GPU drama. Just a browser and a bit of imagination. We're talking about generating cinematic architectural walkthroughs and facade transformation videos online in seconds. It's like having a Hollywood VFX team in your pocket. So let's get started. First stop, Google AI Studio. Hit that build button. This is where we create AI apps. You'll see a prompt box. Don't stress about being precise. The beauty of this tool is that you can tweak and refine as much as you want later. Here's the prompt I'm using. Build a sophisticated app using React and TypeScript that generates cinematic videos of architectural facades. React builds the AI app's user interface, while TypeScript ensures safe, error-free code with smart typing. Now we define two main functions for our app. Facade transformation mode. This lets users upload an image of a building facade, enter a prompt describing the desired transformation, like turning a plain wall into a futuristic glass structure, and then generate a video showing that transition. It's perfect for visualizing design upgrades or concept variations. Cinematic motion mode. This is the real showstopper. Users upload multiple images of a project, different angles, elevations, perspectives. The app uses these to understand the 3D form. Then you choose your camera moves. Zoom in, zoom out, pan left, pan right, heck, revolve if you're feeling dramatic. Add a prompt if you want. Set the video duration. Hit generate, let AI do its thing. While it's thinking, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future tutorials. We're just getting started. Your app is ready. I call it Architutors FX. You can tweak it using the code assistant on the left. It's like having a sidekick who actually listens. So, we have two video generation modes, as we mentioned in the prompt. In transformation mode, we have options to upload your facade image, enter a prompt or reference image for the target look, set the video duration, generate the transformation video. In cinematic mode, we have options to upload multiple images of your project, add a prompt or choose camera movements, set the duration, generate your walkthrough scene. Let's test it with 3 images from a project I'm working on. Multiple images helps it to understand geometry of the project. I don't want to select a particular movement, but I'll change the video duration to 8 seconds. Hit generate, and there it is, a smooth cinematic walkthrough. No rendering software, no GPU, just pure AI magic. So that's how you build your own AI-powered app for walkthroughs and facade transformations. Go wild, experiment, build smarter tools, make architecture cinematic again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay creative.